How to reboot and reset AirPods Max. If you are having trouble with AirPods Max connecting to your iPhone and other devices are experiencing other issues, there are a couple of solutions to try. Follow along for how to reboot and reset AirPods Max. AirPods Max don't have a dedicated power button, so there is no option to power cycle them like you would an iPhone, iPad, or more traditional device. However, Apple made it easy to force reboot or reset AirPods Max. If you are having connectivity or other problems with the headphones, how to reboot and reset AirPods Max. Force reboot. The least invasive step is to reboot your AirPods Max. Press and hold the digital crown and the noise control button until you see the status light flashes amber on the bottom of the same ear cup. Hold your AirPod Max upside down to easily keep an eye on the status light. Reset AirPod Max to factory settings. If rebooting did not solve your issue, here how to reset them. Apple says before resetting AirPods Max to factory settings, charge them for a few minutes. Press and hold the digital crown and the noise control button for 15 seconds. Hold your AirPods Max upside down to easily keep an eye on the status light. You should see the status light flash amber then white on the bottom of the same ear cup. After successfully resetting AirPods Max, you can repair them with your iPhone and other devices. Also, if you are hoping the latest AirPods Max firmware update might help with battery life issues, check out more on what that in our coverage here. Apple releases AirPods Max firmware update as users complain of battery drain issues. Also, here are some further tips on getting the elusive firmware to install. A new firmware is out for AirPods Max. To get them to update, 1. Connect to your iPhone. 2nd, listen to audio for at least 30 seconds. 3rd, pause playback, then put the AirPods Max in the smart case. 4. Plug the AirPods Max into power and leave both AirPods Max and iPhone nearby. Earbuddy, March 10, 2021. 9 to 5 Mac tutorials. How to use the Magic Keyboard shortcut on the iPad Air and iPad Pro. One of the best things about the iPad is the possibility to add accessories to it, including Apple own Magic Keyboard, the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd or 4th generation, and iPad Pro 11-inch 1st or 2nd generation. Gives the user the ability to simply enjoy the best part of iPad OS with very familiar shortcut from the Mac OS. Do you know very one of them? Head below to find the most useful Magic keyboard shortcut for your iPad. Using common keyboard shortcuts, it does not matter if you are on smart folio keyboard or the Magic keyboard. Either one of them has a few tricks when you press the command key, like on a Mac. If you are a PC kind of person, the command key does the same thing as a control key on a regular computer.